Hello, we are Group 5 from X Alpha, and today we're going to break down and explain question number 5. We'll be guiding you through the problem step by step so you can understand how to solve it. From the question, we know that the first row equals to 3 squares, second row is equals to 5 squares, and the third row is equals to 7 squares. We can see that the number of sequence increased by 2 with each new row. This tells us that we have an arithmetic sequence. So from the question, we know that a, or the first term, equals to 3, and to find the expression, we also need to find out the d, or difference. And to find the d, we use step 1. To find an expression for the number of squares in the nth row, we need to use the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Step 2. Step 3. Now let's substitute a equals to 3 and d equals to 2 into the formula. Part B. So the question asks us to find the value of k, where we can just think of k as an n. So our formula now becomes uk equals to 2k plus 1. He counts 301 squares. From the question, we know that 301 equals to uk. Hence, we can substitute 301 into uk. Now step 2, move 1 to the other side. Now divide both sides by 2. So the value of k is 150. This means the 150th row have exactly 301 squares. Part C. So after reading the question, we know that Q is n and Sn equals to P. So now we can replace the original formula with it. Step 1. So the total square will be illustrated with P. So don't forget to replace A and D 2 times inside the bracket. Now move divided 2 into the other side. Times Q with the bracket. Now arrange them and divide with 2. So from the question, we know that we are asked to find the minimum number of rows, or Q. We use the previous equation, Q squared plus 2Q plus P. We are given P is greater than 1520, so let's substitute. Now step 1. We choose positive because there is no negative row. Now let's check P equals to 1520 when Q equals to 38. But the question asks for P is greater than 1520, so Q equals to 39. So the minimum number of rows where P is greater than 1520 is 39.